kembali lagi dengan Miss Winda untuk belajar bahasa Inggris. Nah, di episode-episode sebelumnya kita sudah membahas tentang buah-buahan dan binatang. Siapa yang ingat what is buah-buahan in English? Yes, buah-buahan in English is fruit. What about binatang? What is binatang in English? Yes, binatang in English is animals. Oh iya, di episode sebelumnya kita sudah ada latihan ya. Kita bahas itu dulu yuk. We start from number 1. Is it a hippopotamus? No, it isn't. What is it? It is a rhinoceros. Number 2. Is it a spider? No, it isn't. What is it? It is a snail. Number 3. Is it a cow? Yes, it is. Good. Number 4. What are these? They are bears. Number 5. Last one. Are they snails? No, they aren't. What are they? They are snakes. Yeay, gimana nih jawaban kalian? Pasti betul semua kan? Nah, selanjutnya kita masih akan berlatih sambil mengingat-ingat tentang materi-materi di episode sebelumnya ya. Langsung aja kita mulai from number 1. Oh, seperti biasa, Miss Winda akan berikan jeda supaya kalian bisa menjawab ya. Oke, number 1. What is it? It is a banana. Number 2. Is it a durian? No, it isn't. What is it? It is a jackfruit. Number 3. Are those guavas? No, they aren't. What are those? They are mangosteens. Number 4. Is that a tiger? No, it isn't. What is that? It is a lion. Next, number 5. Is this a squirrel? Yes, it is. Good. Number 6. Is this a custard apple? No, it isn't. What is this? It is a soursop. Next, number 7. Are those foxes? Yes, they are. Number 8. Is that an orange? Yes, it is. Number 9. Are these cats? No, they aren't. What are these? They are mice. Ingat kan, kalau bentuk jamak dari tikus itu bukan mouses ya, tapi mice. Next, the last one, yang terakhir. Are they giraffes? No, they aren't. What are they? They are horses. Yeay, kita sudah selesai dengan latihannya nih untuk kali ini. Gimana jawabannya? Miss Winda sih yakin kalau kalian pasti betul semua. Nah, seperti biasa, kita masih akan ada latihan. Tetapi latihannya nanti boleh kalian tulis jawabannya di kolom komentar ya kalau kalian mau. Kita akan bahas latihannya di episode minggu depan. Ini adalah latihannya. Number 1. What is this? Number 2. Is this a watermelon? What is this? Number 3. Are these monkeys? Number 4. What is that? Number 5. What are those? Nah, jangan lupa untuk dikerjakan ya. Kalau dirasa videonya bermanfaat, boleh bantu like dan subscribe ya. See you next time.